Okay. So last time we discussed some formula of permutations, right? N objects, out of n objects we take r object, then the formula is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, right? So now we have to extend another formula. Here is the formula is the number of permutation of n objects. How many objects? N objects. So out of n objects, suppose p1 objects of one kind and p2 objects are of second kind and pk object of is kth kind and rest of the objects are of different kind. Suppose I'll write a word called Allahabad. Okay, ALLAHABAD. So this is a word Allahabad. So here all letters are not same. See how many A's are there? 1A, 2A, 3A. How many A's are there? 4 A's. So we have 4 A's. And how many L? So we have 2L. So we have 2L and rest are different. Rests are different, right? Rest are different. So 4L, so we have 4A. So 4A are repeated, right? 2L are repeated. So how will calculate this? So using this formula. So what is the formula? So n objects are different kinds. Then so formula is our n factorial. So we have to divide n factorial. So how many objects? This is called P1. So this is P1 objects are of different kind. P2 objects are of P2 kind and rest are PK kind. So what is the formula? So P1 factorial divided by P2 factorial dot we have to PK factorial. We have to divide it by this. So this is the formula. If some objects are repeated, then we have to use this formula. So what is the formula? So how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 letters. So we have 9 letters, right? So out of 9 letters, 4. So total 9 letters. So 9 factorial divided by P1 factorial. So how many letters are repeated? 4 letters are repeated, right? So 4 factorial. We have to divide it by 4 factorial. And then what is the formula? So 2L are repeated. So you have to divide it 2 factorial. So you have to divide this 4 factorial because 4A are repeated and 2 is repeated, right? So what is the answer? So you have to divide now this 4. 9 factorial is 9 into 8 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 4, right? Into 3 into 2 into 1. And 4 factorial is 4 factorial and 2 factorial is 2 factorial. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 4 factorial, right? So this will cut with 4 and 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So 2, 3 is 6. So if to multiply this, so how many value? 7. What is the value? 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 0. So if there are letters, 4 letters, so what is the how it derive this formula? So since letters are repeated, so you have to divide how many letters are A, how many letters are 2. So 4 letters are L letters, so you have to divide, and 2 L are there, so 2 we have to divide. Okay, so this is the resulting answer. Okay, pause.
Start.
So okay, so we derive this formula, right? If there are letters are repeated, some letters are repeated. Suppose some letters in a word, like last time we discussed what we discussed Allahabad, right? So we have discussed this word Allahabad. So Allahabad, A is repeated thrice. Okay. So H, sorry. So last time we solved Allahabad. So how many letters A are there? So there are 4 A's, right? And how many L are there? 2 L are there. So since 4 L are repeated, so 4 factorial we divided and 2 L's are repeated. So L by 2 factorial we divided, right? So our result was like last time. Allahabad, how many letters are there? 9 letters. So out of 9 letters, so 9 letters, how many A's are repeated? 4 A's are repeated. We have to divide it by 4 factorial and 2 L are repeated. So 2 factorial we divided. So this was our answer, right? So today we will solve another question, which is what is independence? So independence, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So how many letters are there? Independence 3, 3, 6, 11, right? 12 letter. 1 2 depend. Oh, okay. Dependence. I have wrongly written. So dependence. Okay. So how many letters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So we have 12 letters, right? So 12 letter, how many n are there? 1 2 3. So n repeated 3 times, right? E 1 2 3 4. So E repeated 4 times. And D, how many D are there? 1 2. So D repeated 2. Okay. So if I will ask this word, so how many words will form? Words will form start with P. How many letters will start from P? So letters will start from P. So I'll write P, right? After that I can place any letter, right? Any letter I can P. So one P is fixed. Then how many letters will remain? So there are 12 letters. So one P I have taken. So rest is 11 letters, right? So 11 letters I can fill here, right? Because it will start with P. But so I have to take 11 letters because P I have fixed, because the word will start with P. So I have to fixed P. So how many letters are there? 11. So out of 11, so 11 letters will I will give 11 factorial divided by. So how many? N repeated 3 times. So 3 factorial. E repeated 4 times. So 4 factorial. D repeated 2 times. So 2 factorial. So this is the answer. These many of words starts with P. These many of letters start with P. Now suppose I will ask all vowels will be together. How many words will be formed where all vowels will be together? How many vowels are there? E, E, and one I is there. So these many 3 E and 1 I is there. So if I will ask, keep find the number of words from where all vowels will be together. What will do? All vowels, you will take all vowels and bind it together. So 3 I and 1 I have taken and I bounded, right? So how many? 3 4, right? 4 E's are there, right? So another E is there and 1 I is there. So 4 E and 1 I, these are the vowels. So these vowels it is saying if vowels should be always together. So this should be together. So how many next? So there are 5 vowels are there. So how many other letters are there? 7, because 5 plus 7 is 12. So 7 letters will be there. So 7 and all vowels will be 12 together. So you bind all vowels. So it is like a 1 letter. Okay. So other letters and this letter. So other letters are 7 and you assume this is one letter. This is 1 letter. This is 7 letters. So how many letters? Because all vowels should be always together. 7 1 8. So 8 factorial divided by. So how will divide? And 8 factorial, and how many E's are repeated? E's will be repeated 3 n, right? 3, we have to divide at 3 because n is repeated 3 times and D is repeated 2 times. This will be the letters, okay? And all 4 plus 1, 5 letters are there. So this is the first part. So these 5 letters, how will arrange this? 5 letters, 5 factorial divided by 3 E 4 times repeated. So divided by 4 factorial. Okay. So if you multiple calculate this result will be 16800. Okay. So this is how we can calculate. Okay. Okay. Pause.